Welcome back to a brand new video here on Wealth Academy. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD. So, a quick recap from our last video. We were calling for a nice pullback to around $250 mark, and that's exactly what we got. This correction that we've been having these past couple of hours and days should be nothing surprising if you're following the channel. I hope you guys understand now that everything that I do is straight up data. So it's not be trading based on hope or emotions. Because let me be honest with you, during this period right here, especially, so much euphoria was going off. I even told you guys straight up that there's going to be people FOMOing in during this last pump. And that's exactly what happened. So if you've been missing out on these opportunities that have been given on this channel, that's fine. I'm about to give you another nice opportunity right here. Let's find out exactly where our targets is, where exactly I'm going to be filling my bags. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. That way you have a clear understanding. So right now I'm going to be using one simple strategy, and then I'm going to be moving on to our Elliott wave. So right here, I'm going to be using fractal method. I'm just going to go ahead, find the similarities that we had. So right here, we had a nice uptrend channel, and that's exactly what we had. All right. So uptrend channel, uptrend channel. Let me change this to white. And then we had a major pullback, and that's exactly what happened. Major pullback. Actually, let's just mark it off top like that. And then we go down for a nice retracement to our support line. That's exactly what happened, support line. And then we go for a nice rebound to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. Nice rebound to the upside. And then we come back for a second retest, and that's exactly what's happening now. So if that's the case, then what's our next target? So I'm going to go ahead, pull out our Fibonacci level tool. So this one right here triggered the 1886. Whereas this one was at 286. All right, so that's basically inverse of the 186. Therefore, our next wave should be at, give or take, you're looking at $414 at the 1.86 Fibonacci level, or up at $500. All right, so that's using fractal method. Very simple. Just one strategy out there that a lot of people don't use. However, it's very effective. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna find more confirmations. I'm not gonna rely on just fractal method. I'm gonna go ahead and do some Elliott waves. Let's mark our targets. So we have 501 and our 413 for the fractal method. And let's go ahead, measure our Elliott wave. So right here, we have our first wave, second wave retracement, and then we topped up at our third wave at around $300. That's exactly why I've been calling this target forever on the channel. And then we went on a nice fourth wave retracement. So right now, price action, I'm expecting, Litecoin to do its thing. Algorithm is going to do its thing, trigger stops, liquidate people, and just do its thing, okay? It's going to accumulate within this range for the next coming hours and days. And then I'm expecting a nice rebound up to. So let's go ahead and measure. So our first target, we have our 1.618 at $510. So we have a lot of confluence up here with our fractal method. And then your next target should be at $1,000 guys. So the major resistance that you guys should be watching for is this one right here is not going to be that major, but something to keep in mind because there's a possibility of us retracing here. Of course, when I have more data, I'm going to be updating you here on Wealth Academy. So if you haven't done so, make sure you guys turn on your notifications and hit that subscribe icon. Once again, this is a weak resistance, but something to watch out for. Our next major resistance is going to be at the 1.618 at $500. We have some nice confluence with our fractal method once again. And then this will blow your minds, guys, because if we break this 1.618 Fibonacci level at $510, then guess what? You're heading all the way to $1,015 psychological level. So right now, nobody knows if we're going to this 2.618 at $1,000 until we test this 1.618 Fibonacci level. We're gonna do our thing, accumulate right down here. When I say accumulate, you guys don't go all in. It means accumulate small positions, whether it's 3%, 5% of your portfolio. We're just laddering in, trying to cost average at a nice zone. Right now, everything is bullish, okay? You shouldn't be bearish at all until we break this major support line. So this support line right here is basically your key for $400, $500, and even $1,000. However, if we break this major support line, then do expect some further downside, maybe to around 213, 210, and then we continue, okay? It's going to be a bit of, an extended pullback, but that's okay. We're going to do our thing. We're going to accumulate and ladder through because we're going to have money. We're not going all in once again right here. We're laddering small positions. So this scenario that I had drawn out will play out if Bitcoin, let's go on the Bitcoin chart, decides to go for a pullback. So looking at Bitcoin right now, we had a nice rising wedge. I mean, this is a bearish pattern. We broke out with some major volume. We came back for that retest, and right now is getting rejected. All right, we have a nice harmonic pattern, a non-star pattern, and I'm expecting another retest. There's still a possibility of us breaking through to the inside and continuing this rally, which in other words will bring all coins, including Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, to the upside. If we go for that upside retracement and we get rejected, then expect a pullback. Therefore, Litecoin is going to go for that uh, final extended pullback. Once again, this right here is our major key level that Litecoin must hold. If there's any updates I have to update you guys with in the coming days, weeks, hours, I'm gonna hop on straight on the computer, update you guys. So don't worry, guys. You guys are in safe hands. If you're in the channel, consider yourself lucky. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be keeping close eyes on this major support line on Litecoin, and of course, if I have any updates, I'm gonna be updating you here on Wealth Academy. Without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.